If this falls from the sky,
Yeah.
it could kill somebody. It's gonna hurt them.
Threats in the sky. Law enforcement is getting ready for the World Cup.
How do we deal with the drone threat?
From mass transit to crowd control, Cairo 7 shows you how deputies are preparing to keep you safe from possible drone threats.
If the scenario looks like we need to take it over, we will. And that's the capability we never had.
Well, tonight we are finding out how the King County Sheriff's Office will be combating rogue drones and tracking down their operators. It's all thanks to new equipment and training from the FBI.
And as Cairo 7's Lindsay Sheldon explains, they'll even be able to take down a drone electronically if they need to.
So what size drone is this? This is the typical one that's going to be going out from a drone trailer?
Cairo 7 went out with the King County Sheriff's Office to see how they're training.
So then it drops that blue point, right?
To combat drone threats with drones of their own.
My biggest concern, and so were all of our partners in Seattle and the feds, was how do we deal with the drone threat?
Right.
We had no capability to deal with it.
Now, Under Sheriff Jeffrey Floor says they have a solution for about 90% of the issues they might see.
If this falls from the sky,
Yeah.
it could kill somebody.
And it all starts with these. The Sheriff's Office has 3 trailers similar to these ones by D-Drone that will support their drone security during the World Cup. Each was about $3 million paid for with federal funding, each equipped with capabilities like radar, cameras, and radio frequency sensors. Temporary flight restrictions, or TFRs, will be in place before, during, and after World Cup matches, just like during the Seahawks Super Bowl parade. That means it's a no-fly zone unless you've been cleared by the FAA. Floor says these trailers will be able to identify any drones violating the TFRs.
How?
So it picks up the radio frequency signals that are talking to the drone, and then it tells us where the operator is. So we will be sending federal agents and law enforcement officers to the person flying the drone illegally.
And if they can't get in touch with the operator or it's too dangerous,
we have the ability, under the authority of the FBI and the FAA, to deal with that drone by electronically either taking it over or making it land or sending it back to where it's supposed to go, home.
the Sheriff's Office's own drones can also check out issues in massive crowds and related to mass transit.
Maybe there's a fire, maybe there's something, or we don't know what's going on in this section. We can get a drone or a helicopter and they can see it.
The FBI Seattle office tells us 37 drones violated the TFR during the Hawks parade, and that can come with a steep price.
You could end up getting a federal felony, a federal misdemeanor, a state felony for reckless endangerment, or you can get up to a $100,000 fine from the FAA.
Of course, you won't just be seeing drones.
I mean, just in Sound Trans alone on a game day, you're going to see 100 extra deputies.
From the ground to the skies, the Sheriff's Office will be working with other law enforcement in uniform and undercover.
We found the target that we're looking for.
To crack down on any threats this summer. Lindsay Sheldon.
There you go.
Cairo 7 News.
KCSO received $11.7 million in federal grants. All the equipment will stay with the Sheriff's Office.
And then the remaining funding from the grant there, which is about $2.7 million, will be used for software updates, equipment support, and then personnel for the next 5 years.